Okay, take two of putting 3 eggs in the microwave. No, actually, because I'm not wasteful, I only put 1 in there. Instant start, boom, that. Okay, we're just gonna stand it because it explodes. See the eggs slowly moving around. As you can see, we have done this before. Just didn't get it on the card, so. Oh, you hear that? It's going to explode soon. You can see it already coming out, so it should be close. Say. There we go. I see you cooking egg in the microwave. If you like, subscribe, comment what you want to put in the microwave. Goodbye.